Good morning, YouTube. J-Dub here, and welcome back. It has been a while since I've been posting any good amount of videos. Uh, you guys saw my new toy, C5 Corvette 2001. Uh, if you guys want me to do like a full-on review, in-depth video of this car, leave me a comment below. Let me know, and I'd be more than happy to do that. So basically, this car is completely stock, which is good. It's untouched, really. But there's a few things on this car that if you've never owned a sports car, I've had the DeLorean, but there's some things that you got to kind of get used to in this vehicle, such as like the cup holder situation. Cup holder situation in this car is terrible. There's one cup holder and it's not really even that good. Another thing is this is a 2001 car, so they really weren't thinking about people and their phones and stuff like that. So I wanted to put in a phone mount where I could actually have my phone displayed and, it not be in the way. So I opted for this proclip. So these are pretty cool. I have them in the Dart. I had a video on how to install it in the Dart, and I really like how they do this. Now, to be fair, they make a second piece to this that you can buy. This is just the mount. Then there's an actual holder that you can buy for your phone depending on its size. I'm not going to go with that because I've got these. This is a quad lock. Now my phone, I've kind of revolved my entire phone mounting life around the quad lock system. I have it on my motorcycle. I have it in my Dart. It's now going to be in the Corvette. And these are pretty cool. They're not super expensive, but these have adhesive on them to where you can literally mount it to anything. So basically, I'm going to show you how to do a phone mount in the 01 Vet. Okay guys, we're in the 01 Vet, and basically what this is going to do, this has adhesive strips on both sides that I got to peel, but basically where this is going to go, it's going to wind up going like right here. Oh, that's going to be perfect. Like I said, it's going to basically, you can see the shape of it, it's going to clip around this here, and like I said, that doesn't cause any damage or anything like that. It's just going to, but that'll be there, and then I can literally mount my phone, which I'll have to get a different example here, but I'll basically mount my phone there, and that'll be out of the way. Quick note, this came with a little alcohol pad and a little pry tool. To basically, what it says is you want to take the thick spot and you want to just put it in there like that, just to pull it back just a little bit, and then that'll allow me to get that clip in there. So it says go ahead and clean up the area, so we're going to do that with the alcohol pad. I'm guessing that's for the adhesive there, so we're going to clean that all off, so that way we get a good clean stick to that. Sorry guys, it's the way the sun's going, it's hard to see. So right there. All right, and then it says peel the adhesive off. Okay, I got the adhesive backing off, and basically, from what I can understand, this is gonna go like right in here, like that. Get it on the side, and then clip like that. That's not right. Okay, so you want to get that little edge like back there, and then clip it back in place, and bam, pull this out, and then Bob's your uncle. That is in place, and I think that'll work really well. Now, you could argue that this is going to get in the way of the cup holder, but I've actually ordered new cup holders. They're going to go down here, so that's not going to matter. But yeah. Okay guys, so this is the quad lock piece here. It just has a piece of 3M automotive adhesive on there, and that's going to literally go right here or here, wherever you want your phone to be placed. That's completely up to you, and then we'll stick her on there. And Bob's your uncle, guys. That's how you basically install it. I'll show you a picture of what it looks like with my phone on there. Alrighty, y'all, so that's going to basically wrap up this video. That is a super easy install. I would say probably less than 10 minutes to do it. Your mount is going to be somewhere around, I think, 40 bucks for the mount. Obviously, your little quad lock adhesive stickies, they're going to run you, I think, like 10 or 20 bucks or something like that. So you'll have a little bit of money in the mount, but it works, and it works great. It's up out of the way. It doesn't look bad. It didn't alter anything on there. I don't have to use that cup holder thing. So that's how we do it. Anyway, guys, I plan on shooting more videos with this Corvette and the little things I'm going to be doing with it, things I experience with it. Please like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Everybody who's subbed, I appreciate you. You're awesome. We're going to try to shoot more videos with this. And if there's videos you'd like to see, once again, leave me a comment. Let me know, guys. I'm all up for suggestions. So until next video,